Let me show you how easy it is to paste SVG full vector images, icons, logos into your Figma project. Simply need to find a proper SVG file, like here on the font awesome where you got hundreds of free SVG icons. Let's say I need this one. So I click on it, and now I can do it two ways. I can download this to my computer first using the download button, and then I can drag and drop this into Figma. But we can also just copy the SVG code. So I head here, click on this SVG code, head back to Figma, and I can just paste it. I can right click, paste here, and here it is. I got this vector icon in here. And the best part is, it's a proper vector, so I can easily modify the color. It's still SVG, so I can scale it up and down as I want without losing quality. We can also search for some logos in SVG format online as well. In that case, I will download the SVG first, and now I drag and drop this SVG file from my computer. And let's inspect the layer panel. It's a proper vector logo, so we got all of the vector elements grouped together, and we can even change colors easily without any hassle. And of course, we can scale it up and down without losing quality. So that's really handy. Alright, so that's how easy it is. You can paste it directly from different websites, or simply drag and drop from your computer, and the program will recognize those SVGs, vector images, and load it in the new frame. You can actually take it out of this frame and keep it all together. Maybe we can group it, so I can press Command G and I got group instead of the frame. This will be a bit easier to work with the group. And all of the vector elements are still inside this group. Alright, so here it is. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.